the workbook, you need to prepare page 45 to page 50. Sorry, you need to prepare page 45 to page 50 of your mobile robotic workbook. Also, I want you to prepare your circuit, the circuit board that we have already given you. How does it look like? Practical 317. Okay, to investigate the operation of the basic logic gates, so you will need your DC power. For DC power, no choice, you have to use your battery pack. Okay, this one we have already given you the battery pack. Not have a side cutter and pliers, right? It's alright, you can use your scissors. Then you should have your 7404 IC chip, 7408 and 7432 OR gate. Just now I also show you your LED light. You will need your LED light. Okay, you must be able to see which one is your positive, which one is your negative by now. Okay, I think last week Mr. Chan have already gone through with you on the 7404 IC chip. Correct? Okay, take note, pin 14 is always your VCC, pin 7 is your ground. So, when you want to do this experiment for your 7404 IC chip, this is a 7404 IC chip. You should be able to see on your own ICs given to you. Okay, make sure that the notch, there is a notch here, is always facing on the left side. Then you are going to place this IC chip onto your breadboard. Okay, make sure the notch is always facing on the left side. Okay. It's not that clear. The notch should be on the left side. Okay, once you have already placed that notch, the next thing is you have to wire them up, right? You need to on the IC. So again, go and cut your red color wire jumper and put it at pin 14. Pin 14. Okay, maybe I need to change the position of this. Put it at pin 14. Okay, pin 14. Where is pin 14? Pin 14 is this part. Okay, this is pin number 1 all the way to pin number 7, 8 all the way to pin 14. Okay, pin 14. So this pin 14 need to be connected to your jumper, red color jumper, which represents your VCC. So again, put a red color jumper there, then to the VCC. This is the VCC, okay? VCC. Do not put it at the ground. Later, it will not work. Okay. Any of the hole on the rows of the VCC, because for the top part, VCC is electrically connected on all these rows. That's why you have the red color wire here. Okay. Ground will be electrically connected in all these rows. Sorry. Okay, that's why you have the black color wire here. This is ground, this is VCC. Do not, this is ground, this is VCC. Okay, do not confuse them. Okay, this is your VCC, pin number 14, you connect to the IC chip. Next one, take your ground, black color wire, put at pin number 7, sorry, pin number 7 there, pin number 7, connect this to your ground, okay, which is black in color. Okay, make sure that the wiring is done correctly, else it will not work. I'm using a pen so that I can push the pin of the wire in forcefully. Okay, black take note, red. Okay, take note done. This is your NOT gate. Okay, according to your activity number 1, you have to refer to the pin configuration. For a NOT gate, pin number 1 is the input, pin number 2 is the output. So you need to set them up so that you can have a pin A as your input, and then another pin number 2 is your output, pin X. Okay, what I will do now is I will take a blue color wire as a jumper. I will just put this blue color wire here, pin number 1. Okay, first of all, need to be wired up to a 0, right? 0 is your ground, because ground black color wire represents logic 0. If I were to change this, it represents logic 1, because this is VCC. VCC 5 volt is logic 1. 0 is ground, logic 0. Okay, I put this logic 0. This is my pin A, input. Okay, followed by my pin X, output. For my pin X output, I can connect it directly to my LED light, or if I want to play safe, right, I can connect it to my resistor first. Okay, if I want to play safe, because this is, I do not want the LED to blow. You do not want the LED to burn out. So what I can do is, I can put a LED. Pin 2 protected by my resistor. So I put pin 2. Pin 2. Okay, I put pin 2 here. Maybe I just push this away further from the IC chip, so that it will not be shorted. Okay, see? Pin number 1, ground, which is logic 0. Pin number 2 is your output. Go to a resistor first, then only you connect to your LED light. Okay, LED light. LED light, then finally again goes back to ground. Okay. Okay, see, pin number 2 output, go to your resistor, go to your anode. Anode is a positive of your LED light. Okay, then go to your cathode, which is negative, then goes back to ground. This is a ground signal. Can? Once you have done this, then you can do your testing, because you have given a logic 0, which is stated in your workbook here. This is your logic 0, logic 0. So what happened here is your input. Okay, this one is your output. So this, if I give a logic 0, what will be my output? If I give a logic 1, what will be my output? Okay, so you need to test. How to test? You need to wire them up. So we're going to put your battery pack. Okay, put your battery pack. I hope there's connection and we can see something. Okay, okay, there's currently logic 0. Output should be 1, but okay, there's no power. I think something is not right. Either the battery is weak, or it's just a circuit connection inside, because I understand some breadboard is not working. Okay. So with this, you try. Okay, you try to put at logic 0 first. You see the output. Is there any light? Then you change. You put to logic 1. And then you check again. Is there any light? Okay. This is the experiment you need to test, to determine whether will there be any change of state when you input a logic 0 and you input a logic 1. Okay.